There's waves over there.
Drop the other ones. Oh, you have to reel it in with your, drop those, now reel it in. Reel it in with this, Gabe. Here, reel it in with your fishing pole.
No, let's get them.
Here.
Let's just pull them. Pull them.
Got it? Ah!
Let's try to, now you try to grab.
Oh.
You try to grab now. Well, the rest of mine.
Look up there.
Ah! Catch him, Grandma.
Almost gonna catch him. Oh, I almost got him, but there was waves.
There's waves down there.
Yeah, that's called your hand. Oh, I almost had it. You grabbed it. He grabbed it.
I need to put it right here so there's no waves.
How can I get it if your hand's in there, in the way? Okay.
Now let's see if I can hook it on there. Oh, no. Let's see this for a second.
Gabe the fisherman.